Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. Today we are gathering three of us from cell 2102 group 100 107 I'm so sorry 107 instruct by Mr. Shafiq. The task for SL7 is to the task for SL9 I'm so sorry SL9 is to answer some question for part 1 based on the 5 video and to choose one of the video and answer the question. I will introduce myself first. My name is Azrin Suhaila binti Alwi alias Amra. My metric number is 182490. And the next.
My name is Nur Fazlana binti Bahari. My metric number is 183858.
Hello and very good evening to Mr. Shafiq. My name is Razima binti Botok. My metric number is 182736.
Thank you everyone. Now we will proceed to the question. The question is to suggest healthy foods for a healthier breakfast. Okay, now I will define the breakfast first, in my opinion. So in my opinion, breakfast is a meal that we are taking in early morning, such as from 7 to 10 and 11 is might be near to lunch already. And it's kind of food that help us to boost up our energy and to boost up our productivity in doing something. Okay, now I would suggest a few healthy foods for a healthy breakfast. So as we know, in Malaysia, they are rarely eat breakfast. While we know breakfast is so important, like you can compare it by today you are taking breakfast and tomorrow you are not taking breakfast. The productivity in you is totally different. You are not having productive day when you are not taking breakfast. When you are not taking breakfast. Such as healthy foods for me, I'm taking food at early morning. As early as 7. So previous when I'm in school, I'm not taking breakfast. So I could feel the difference between taking and not taking of it. When I in matric, I take a very heavy food for my breakfast, such as nasi goreng, what is it? Fruit such as banana, apple, sometimes bread. Any kind of bread, and I think there is some healthy foods for a healthy breakfast. Also, you can add up any kind of coffee. I think because coffee contain caffeine. Yes, it really helps you in your study. And now we proceed to Razima for a suggestion for a healthy food for a healthier breakfast.
Thank you, Azrin Suhaila. Okay, now it's my turn to give some example of healthier food and healthier breakfast. But before I go further to the example, I would like to share that about the breakfast. Okay, first of all, everyone know that breakfast is important, right? And then taking breakfast early in the morning will boost our energy, and taking breakfast also will make us focus on our work, especially for students, right? For students that have yes. They have to students have to start their day with a very heavy work.
Yeah, I think they need to focus.
I think the heavy work is learning
Process of learning.
process of learning, and then hearing
Have to memorize all the theory.
yeah. and then hearing lecture during early in the morning. I think breakfast make student focus more on the class, right?
Because they have the energy they needed in the morning.
Yeah.
They really the nutrients they need for the day they have acquired it. So I think it's really necessary.
And then employee also, I think employee also such as lecturer or what labor need breakfast such as carbohydrate that can boost their energy during the morning to do work during weekend. So I think that everyone must have different example of food that they take during the morning, such as there is some people that taking bread or taking rice during the morning because that they think that was the suitable for their stomach. And then there's some people like to take a juice or like to take cereal or like to take wheat like that. So that was my general view for breakfast. So I go to the healthy food for healthier breakfast.
But I think pregnant mother also need the breakfast more than anyone else. I think they have to eat twice than others.
Because instead of the mother
They have to feed the fetus also.
Yes. So the healthier food that I want to suggest here is taking juice in the morning, because I think that taking juice is fruit, right?
Yes.
Instead of fruit, we can mix with milk or mix with mint, mint.
But nowadays people also do the vegetable juice.
Yeah,
I can't imagine to
vegetable
have
juice.
that.
Carrot.
Yes. Carrot is bearable enough, but when it comes to some green vegetable, is a no for me.
I think you are not familiar with that.
I'm not really taking your vegetable juice.
Prefer to what?
Fruit juice, orange, apple.
So I think that fruit juice or vegetable juice, like you mentioned just now, given us vitamin, and then milk also will help us to more focus on class.
Milk, right?
Milk, I
Yes.
think milk, because milk also can give us what
Nutrient, right?
nutrients, and then
Full. Yes.
food, yeah. Thank you lah for your response.
Yes, of course. I'm a person who really take care of my breakfast. So in early morning I wake up with a big heart to find a good breakfast for me.
Because every time I call you in the morning,
Yes,
you are
I'm
taking
ready.
your breakfast.
Yes, I'm ready in the
Yeah.
cafe for breakfast, of course. Because for me, breakfast is a must. I usually skip my lunch. Of course, I skip it, and dinner also. If I have no time to buy it or have no friends to go, or I have no mood, and then I will skip my dinner, of course. But breakfast is actually I'm not gonna skip it unless I didn't complete my tasks in the morning. I need to send something, have to submit the important things rather than my breakfast. So I will sacrifice for that.
Okay, back to me again.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, I want to add some. Taking breakfast is not only like juice, but you can take a bread with. Nowadays, people like to mix bread with. I mean sandwich. Sandwich. Yeah, sorry.
Yes.
I mean sandwich. Like they put what? Vegetable.
Yes.
Egg. And then what? Sardine. Like that.
The bread is carbohydrate, right?
That can boost our energy. So that is my opinion, and I think that breakfast is more important than lunch and night, because nowadays I learned to taking breakfast, because before this I don't really care about breakfast,
You
because
have to. Breakfast
Yeah.
really important.
and then it is different between taking breakfast or not taking breakfast,
And taking a
experience
healthy
it.
breakfast and not a healthy
Yeah.
breakfast. Yes.
And experience it, while in Form 5, before this, I'm not taking breakfast, so in the class early in the morning, I'm not really focused. And now, I try to learn taking
Life
breakfast.
change.
Yeah.
With breakfast, life is changed.
Okay. That was my
That's all
opinion.
from you?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you Razima for your response. Next, we will proceed to Fazliana. Fazliana, what would you suggest for a healthy food for a healthy breakfast?
Okay, thank you, both of you. Before I suggest what food that we should take during our breakfast, I also want to share my view on breakfast because they already talk about their view, so it's my turn to talk.
Yes, it's
okay.
your turn to talk.
Okay, we all know that breakfast is the most important meal that we should take among the others like lunch and dinner. Because if we see breakfast, we take it early in the morning, right? Between 6 or
Is it-
until 11
Yes,
a.m.
this is advisable by the expertise from this from the health consultant, if I'm not mistaken. We are advised to take the breakfast early in the 7 in the morning until 9, and then after that it's really
That's really
Yeah.
the efficient
yes.
time, right?
Ah.
So why we should take this food during breakfast is because during our whole day we need a lot of energy to do our tasks. If not, we are not able to concentrate on what are we going to do, and our task will not be
It's productive.
as productive as what we want. So, okay,
This is the answer why we are pending and blurring in the morning, right?
yeah, that's right. One of the reasons.
Now you know the secret of it.
Okay, but some people they are not preferred to eat breakfast because they commit that eating breakfast make them tend to go to the toilet every morning. For
Making
your
them
information, it is a normal habit because during night, our stomach will digest all the food that we have eat and absorb the nutrients. So in the early in the morning, it will expel the non-nutritional. Okay, that's why we should eat breakfast. Okay, back to the point now. What food that I suggest for breakfast is bread. Actually, even though my friends already talk about sandwich, it's okay. I will make you more clear about why I suggest bread as our breakfast meal. Okay, I have read an article on the website, Trust website. We can trust it because it's conducted by a healthy expertise. Okay, it says that if we eat 2 slices or 2 pieces of bread, it's the same as we eat a cup of rice.
Oh,
So
a cup of
yes,
Yeah.
1 cup of rice. So just imagine how many energy that we have gained when we eat 2 slices of bread. So it's enough for us to take during breakfast. Okay, like my friends just now, she said that the bread we can make it as sandwich, which means we add another nutrients again, not just a carbohydrate, because we know bread is a carbohydrate full content, right?
Yes.
But if we make it into sandwich, we can add vegetable like salad,
Yes.
cabbage, okay, and then we also can add some cheese with rich in fats.
And the meat slice.
Yes, slice of meat. So it's really fulfill your intake.
Yes.
Intake. It's really you can
Multi-nutrient
be,
in that. Yes.
I think prepare bread during breakfast is much easier, right?
Yes,
Yes.
it's not that hard. It's,
It's
not
not
that.
take your time, too much time, right? Because nowadays people have lots of works to do. So it's making a sandwich is
Simple.
simple. Yeah.
Something so simple.
Especially they must go out early in the morning, so there's no time to take like a rice or whatsoever.
To cook in the
Yeah.
early in the
but
morning.
I think cereal is also a good thing. Why
Yeah.
not you explain a bit about cereal?
cereal, we all know that it's also a carbohydrate, and we can get cereal. We can store it for a month, I think, because
I think you can get
Yes,
from the market,
yes.
right?
It's a very
Grocery-
instant food. Instant food, really fast and easy to make, affordable and very can make us full
yeah,
in
you
easy
just
way.
pour it into a bowl,
Yes.
and you add a milk, and then
And
you can eat it.
yes, cereal nowadays has many flavors, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And I think
It's
that cereal
strawberry,
you can
raspberry.
mix with fresh fruit, like
Yes,
strawberry.
you
and
can make it the
blueberry.
fruit, make a slice of fruit and put it there. Oh, so yummy. Our professor told what? Yummy wala.
Yummy wala.
Dr. Hisham. And that's all from you.
Yeah, that's all.
So I would conclude that eating breakfast is very important for human body because it's really necessary for a good nutrient for us in morning. But in order to have a good breakfast, you need to wake up early and do good things in the night so that you can wake up early in the morning and find a good breakfast and have a productive life. That's all.
I just want to add
Okay.
a little bit. Okay, if we take protein also in the morning, it's also help in for repairing of our broken tissues.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all from us. Thank you.